with your extended forecast.
Well, we've been above average now for 17 days and look to be that way through Sunday. You tack on another 5, and that's over 3 weeks of temperatures above average. As warm as it's been, though, we haven't really been crushing records left and right, and that's because record highs are in the upper 80s, lows near 70. So we've been close, but mostly below that. There is some relief early next week. We have a cool front that's at least going to bring an edge off of those temperatures. Doesn't look like we're going to be seeing much in the way of rain, and I can't say the same for other areas of the country. This area in North Texas extending into Oklahoma and basically the entire state of Arkansas is flagged for some flooding potential today, and this is a multi-day event continuing into tomorrow. A stationary front that I showed you earlier is kind of draped across the north portion of the state. And then speaking of an area that can't get relief, I mean, California has been hit by atmospheric river after atmospheric river after atmospheric river. They're bracing for another one, and these folks have seen feet of snow in higher elevations and several inches of rain. So take a look. Numerous flooding concerns for the San Francisco Bay Area and higher elevations starting tomorrow, and that extends Friday and into the weekend as well. So certainly an area to watch from a national perspective. While they're sick of it and saying, take our rain, get it out of here, we really haven't seen much of anything. We've been relatively dry, and kind of the showers that we've seen have been hit or miss, haven't accumulated to much of anything. We do have 2 fronts on the way. The first one is going to arrive Thursday night into Friday morning and could bring some beneficial rain to parts of our northern areas, but for most of the Houston metro area, it's going to be slim pickings. Then we get back to kind of that drizzle, mist, isolated shower activity. Our next front, which comes Sunday into Monday, is going to bring a wind shift, but it looks to be relatively dry, so I wouldn't count on much rain, if any. Humid nights for the rodeo, next 3 nights with not many changes. Thursday, if you're staying late, the carnivals are open till midnight, so if you're driving north, you might get clipped by some of those showers that I mentioned with that front. But in general, we're talking about cloudy skies in the overnight hours, patchy fog and mist in the morning hours. We get that afternoon decrease in clouds, and then as we head into the overnight hours, the clouds return. So here's that front closer to midnight as we head into Friday. It kind of falls apart as it gets to us, and will be fairly humid as we head through the weekend. It's not until that next front that'll bring us a decrease in humidity Sunday into Monday, and it's also going to lead to some pleasant temperatures on that thermometer.